Hope all of you are safe and healthy at your home. My name is Pratik Ji Patel. I am here. This my channel is all about to double or triple your income with your own expertise, ability through online business and affiliate marketing. This channel is talking about all platform tools strategy. So guys, don't forget to subscribe and press bell button, so whenever I put valuable video you will get notified. In previous video I already shared there are more than 10 different kind of platform which give opportunity to earn extra handsome amount of income without leaving your home. So I can consider as a Wi-Fi opportunity. So remote job, you can consider whatever you like. If you haven't watched that video, go through that. After watching that video and other requested, so many people requested me, they are getting stuck or not getting approval in one of the platform which called Upwork. So today this video I am sharing you detail how you can get approval your account immediately or within 24 hours. So this video may uh, maybe I will create in two parts if based on your request. Mostly within one shot you will get approved. If in case any chances you will not get approved and your visitor like you request me to create another part, then and then I will create. So let's move straight away and I will show you step by step process which give you approval of your Upwork account immediately or within one day. So doesn't matter if you get rejected or if you just trying, don't worry. First of all I would request you, let me first grab let me, can you guys see my screen? Yeah, this is Upwork. If you failed in your attempts previously, I advise you to clear cache and then follow the procedure. Guys, please subscribe and push notification button because my next video will stunning your open your eyes how one ordinary person from India, from small village, he is making right now $500 million. Yes guys, $500 million from his home with laptop. So I am sharing that complete story so you will utilize his journey. He will inspire so many people in India and out of India. So don't forget to watch my next video. Let's concentrate on now Upwork. So if you have ability or if you have skill like web development, content writing, digital marketing or any other skill, specific skill, one of the most popular platform is Upwork. So you can utilize this platform and working from home you can make handsome amount of income. So many my friends are doing this. Some of are making $3,000 to $4,000 per month with this kind of platform. Not only Upwork, you have to utilize other platform also. So guys, if you are facing getting approval in Upwork account, just follow the step. Once you come on Upwork site and after clear your cache, just click on sign up. So why guys you need to get approval or follow this procedure, or why you rejected, why your application was rejected. Upwork is getting so many requests on daily basis, so they have very automated as well as human man system which give approval whoever go through or fulfill their requirement, because they don't want to make messy in their platform. So once you once you click on sign up, just put your email id. I'm putting for example over here my Gmail id. So guys, keep remember, first clear the cache and put the email id which you rejected. If in case even you are not get approved by following my step, try with another email id which definitely get approval same times. So once you put your email id, click sign up, and then you will get email. So don't forget to verify that email, because it is most important and first stage to verify your email account, Gmail account, or whatever email are you using, don't worry. So if you are not received in inbox, please check your spam account. Hopefully in spam you receive, most probably it comes in inbox only, but sometimes it comes spam too. Here my internet connection is a little slow, so please bear with me. Wait guys, I didn't get yet. Let me check again my inbox. There are so many different kind of platform you can utilize, and you can make handsome amount of income. I don't know why I haven't received it. Sometimes it takes time, so don't worry. Oh, sorry, here is I'm getting. If you are putting your Gmail account, then Gmail, it's not, they are not preferring, even though you can click again. Yes, now I will get that one. First I need to put my name. You need to create your, let me check again. Hopefully I receive this time. I think they changed little bit. Let me create password. You need to create yourself. You need to put one symbol as well as one numeric as well as symbol. Once you put your name, desired password, select your country. I'm from India, so whatever your country, you select that one and work as a freelancer. You can put your desired user ID. Let me create this one. If yeah, this is something there now. Let me check. Oh no. Okay, now I'm okay with this name. You can match yourself, or Upwork is also suggesting, so you can use that name also. Then select both. So guys, by doing this process, you definitely will get approved. So just follow the step. I'm just now it is okay. What instruction now I've received? Okay, now they are sending email. Upwork is constantly changing their, upgrading their system. So previously they used to send first email. Now after doing this process, you will get email. Once you come on this page, now you have to look your email ID. Yes, I received it. After that you need to verify it. Once you click on verify, your account will be verified. Okay, now it is showing verification is complete, so it is showing verified. Wait couple of minutes or second, it depend on your internet speed. Now thank you for interest in Upwork. Yes, continue. Click on continue, fill the form of approval. Okay, start profile. Now once you come on this profile, you need to select the service which you are offering. Let me try again. First one, wait for profile please, because I just verified this. Yes, it again coming this page. So once you click verified, this page automatically appeared. Now you need to select which industry or which kind of service you want to put. Right now I'm selecting IT. Let me select, oh yes, at this moment I'm showing as a developer. You need to select your suitable qualification or experience or industry and then follow the step. In case if you fail, if your approval fail, then again watch this video and follow to A to Z, start to end, same what I'm doing, do the same and you will get approval. Once you get approval on base of this method or this in service, later on after approval, after 24 hours, you will change, you can change according to your experience or qualification or service. So don't worry guys, if you first follow the step what I'm doing, do the same or do with your existing or original skills. If you fail in with your skills, come again, start what I'm doing, the same step you need to follow. Now I'm selecting mobile, web and mobile development as well as web development. Guys, according to your skill you will get more options or some few options. Don't select more than 2 options, just select 2 options right now. Later on you can apply as per your profile, as per expertise you can create. I will show later on, don't worry about it. Once you click, I selected 2, web mobile design and web development. I need to select skill according to this field. WordPress. Guys, in this case don't select more than 3. Like if you are digital marketer or according to your skill or experience level, don't put more than 3. Let me, yes, then click next. It will come on second page. Here majority people are fail because you may expert in your field, you may have experience in your field, your skill more than 4, 5 or 10 years, but here in Upwork you need to select entry level because it is asking your experience level with Upwork. I'm sure it is technically asking your original experience, but you need to select entry level. Don't forget that later on you can change it. Once you select, you need to put education. I'm just selecting randomly, don't worry, you can select yours as per your skill. Is here you can leave optional or you can fill all the details, don't worry. I'm selecting my year. Once you do, then you need to select, oh my god, wait guys, let me select. Once you select this, and you need to move on step 2. Guys, there are so many kind of online opportunity available in market, so don't miss that. Utilize your ability, do some good work for your future. Once you select, you need to select only one or more than one, it's up to you. Once you select, click on next. Now it is asking your past experience, work experience. You need to put your existing company or past company, is up to you. Right now I'm putting my existing company. I'm putting India title. I'm a web developer. I need to individual contributor lead. Here I need to put the year of experience, 2015. I am currently working. In description you need to put whatever you have experience. I already shortlist or make, let me copy myself. Here I put my name is Pratik. I have so many this years of experience in this skill, so you need to put according to your skill. Once you put, just save. Once you did this account save, you already created your job profile and experience, then you need to select next. Here it is asking on language. You need to guys keep remember, if you need more and very handsome amount of, if you want to earn or utilize this Upwork, you have to select fluent. You can put add other language, which I don't think so required, and need to select the next. Now on this hourly base page, hourly, later on you can change, don't worry, but initially you need to select $20. Once you select this one, you need to put next. Now look here, I'm getting, according to my profile, here I'm getting a example of suggestion. Example, I'm a web designer. I put my skill overview. Let me put my skill again. Let me put, I have more than 5 year experience. Skill, select the next. Once you follow step by step, you need to put your profile. Guys, you have to put your profile because it will necessary step. So select any profile, any picture you like. It doesn't matter if you don't have good picture, you can select anyone. Now you need to just make a clear very visibility, check. Once you select your profile photo, click next. Now you need to put your address. You must provide your MAWG. You need to select, guys. Let me go ahead. Once you did, you need to, in last step, you need to provide your mobile number. Once you did this, let me check what happened. Guys, once you put in, it is first step, it is showing submit your profile or review this. Now it is, you need to double check your required or profile, web development university. Once you select, click again on edit, click again on edit. Here once you did, it is showing the example, put web and mobile develop web and mobile design development. Double check, cross these all skill and everything, and then put submit. Once you click submit, it will take little time and you need to wait for your submission process. And once it's submitted, most probably within 24 hours, or in this case straight away, maybe straight away, let's wait for it instruction what it will come. Yes guys, here is showing congratulations, you are now part of Upwork. So this message, once you receive this message, then congratulations, you successfully completed your profile. Once you created on profile based on my example, then wait for few hours, let's say 12 hours or 24 hours, then change your actual skill or ability. So guys, hope this help you and you will get approval in your account as much as possible, and you can earn based on your work. Freelancing and Upwork and any other freelancing, it is considered as a work from home opportunity where you can get paid on base of your actual work. I'm in industry affiliate business where you can make your income automation based. So I will later on put or give tips and strategy on there. So don't forget to subscribe and press bell button. So guys, my next upcoming video will show you how ordinary people without experience or English language fluency, the gentleman started his online business and make more than $500 million, which is considered as 3 crore rupees Indian currency. So what he did and how he reached up to 3 crore, I will show in my example and next video in story. So don't forget to subscribe and press bell button. If you like this video, share with your friends and family who want to who have skill and who want to utilize Upwork platform. See you guys, bye bye, take care.